Greetings YouTube, Yellow Belly here. Just a quick update on this. I think you all know what this is. ZX81. Never had one. I had a, sorry, ZX81, have you heard me? I had a ZX81. I moved on to the Amstrad after that. My mate had one of these and we used to play this a lot. Loved this game. It was awesome when it came out in the day. So I treated myself. It's a rubber key one. It's actually recreated Spectrum with a Raspberry Pi Zero in it. So it's all HDMI, one power cable I can add in ROMs, etc. Yeah, absolutely love it. Great bit of kit, all works. See me monitor. Yeah, happy days indeed. So, yeah, all working, lovely. And that's off the keyboard. So yeah, it's I'll just knock it off now. Just give me a second. It's going to live. Right. Unplug it. Up here. I'll do it probably with that wire, etc. It's just literally up there with my other machinery. And next video is going to be on this. You know about the joystick. Yes, it turned up. Isaac's on DDI3. And possibly a project. I've got a empty Amstrad case and I want to see if there's a way to fit it inside with the motherboard, etc. So keep you updated on that. But yeah, always wanted a ZX Spectrum. My cable looks dodgy, doesn't it? It's I'll have to. Oh, that's better. Put it behind the screen. There we go. So yes, I need the trifecta. I need C64 next. I think I'll probably get a mini. I quite like the look of those. And hopefully do a quick update on that. I'm also gonna have a look at maybe getting a what's it called now, 3D printer, because I fancy making a mini Amstrad case and putting a Raspberry Pi in it. I think that would be quite amusing, similar to the C64 mini. Plug a joystick in. I actually have one there. I could do something with it, an old JY2 I think that is. But yeah, absolutely made up with the Raspberry Pi Zero ZX Spectrum. As I said, always wanted a rubber key, because it's not a Spectrum unless it's got rubber keys. All the other ones, well, especially the ones with cassettes in them, they had Amstrads. They're not Sinclair at all. So, Mega Drive Mini, that's the wife's DS there. All she does is play one game on it. What was it? The animal one? Oh, I forget what it's called. Yeah, there's a new one out on the 3DS, New Leaf. So, yeah, next thing up will be my DDI3. Oh, listen to that interference on me CRT from the phone. So, looking forward to doing that. Do a quick review on it. What I can tell you is the demo scene stuff on it is amazing. I had a look at CRTC stuff. Oh, stupid thing. It's because this telly's on. Me, CRT. Yeah, the demo scene stuff on. And also, I put the Batman Forever in, the Fortum, the PHX stuff, and it looks absolutely amazing. The wife said, "Is that 16 or 32-bit?" when she saw the demos, and I was like, "No, it's 8." She didn't believe me. I had to prove to her that that little box is just for hard drive storage, and it was the CPC actually doing the hardware, CPC hardware doing the demos. But yeah, it's Amazing bit of kit from Poiter. Thank you very much, sir. He's doing a DDI5 next, I believe. I'm not sure the difference between that and this. Is possibly just the screen. From what I can gather, is a bit better. But what I'm looking at doing is putting one inside a case. I haven't decided whether I'm going to shorten the case. I've seen a few of those. What I would like to do is maybe mount it inside. It'd probably go roughly. I've got the tiny motherboard, so it possibly fit underneath the keys here, and use a ribbon cable to join it to the floppy drive cable, and then hopefully I can either cut this out or, failing that, actually put it inside here. I want to separate the screen and mount it somewhere on the CPC rather than as it is sticking out. So, and also do some fly leads for the buttons, for the forward, backward, select, reset buttons. But yeah, absolutely made up with it. Just getting to grips with some of the stuff. I'm just putting straight discs on at the moment. It's I haven't got around the HXC, I think it's called, stuff yet. You need then you get on-screen selection. But hopefully I'll get to grips with that as well. So I'm gonna love you and leave you. So the van's coming on nicely. The weather's been absolutely awful, so I've not been able to. God, that joystick looks beautiful. I love it. I love it. Matches me Amstrad, the colour scheme, rather well. Especially because it's clicky. But yeah, that's coming on well. I'm going to hopefully get some work done on it. I've got to take my mum away. She's going away, so I'll probably get a little bit more work done, hopefully on the electrics, and run it on... hopefully, oh, I've not thought of that. Sorry, I just thought of something. I was just thought, is it possible to run an Amstrad off the 12 volt DC? That'd be interesting. Anyway, that's beside the by. But yeah, I'll love you and leave you and give you an update as soon as I can. As I said, next thing is DDI3. There's two really good reviews, Novabug and is it Gadget UK? They've done them. I'm just going to do a very brief overview. I think Bazza H has done one as well. There's a few of them on there. Well, just what I like to do on it, etc. And I'm going to have to love you and leave you. Why is it? Just a quick question on this. Look at the keys, all nice and white. But then you look at the tape player keys and see the yellow, white, yellow. Isn't that weird? Yeah, just wondering, because it's like, is it a different plastic they used? Different. I mean, I cleaned this keyboard up, you know, as much as I could. Didn't use any solvents really, just a bit of elbow grease. Did the same on here, but no, they're. I have to excuse the light. There you go. Look how yellow they are. Just a wonder why. And all the Amstrads I've seen online or for sale, etc., it's the same. I mean, you can see the contrast there. I mean, this keyboard's not the cleanest by a long shot. There's a bit of grime. You can't really see it, but there is still a bit of grime on the very tops. A slightly different colour. I don't think you can really make it out on this with the poor lighting. But anyway, yeah, that was just a quick question. If anybody knows, just post it. If anybody actually watches this video, just let us know. Yeah, so that's it. I ran out of recording, so I had to do a jump cut there. Sorry about that. So there she is in her glory. Love that. So just a quick update, another update. I've just ordered a Edge connector. So another question I've got for anybody on YouTube is the expansion port on the What if I was this off? There we go. There's the edge connector, a female edge connector. It's 50 pin, I know. Are all 50 pins used? And if so, is there a numbering system? I had a quick scan of the schematics and I couldn't see, you know, which was pin 1 and which was, I assume it goes, I've seen a thing where you can swap pin 1 and 50, so I assume it goes something like 1 to 25 and then up this way to 50, or vice versa. But are they all used? Is it just a double of the other one? I don't know, because I want to wire up a ribbon cable, and it'll be, what I want to know is, you know, obviously, is it which goes to which, really? I mean, I assume it's, hang on, thinking about it, it might be really straightforward. But anyway, that's it for me. I'm going to leave it now, and yeah, and it will be, well, yellow belly out.